Hi guys, and welcome to this video, the first on the Porsche for probably 8 months. It's got to be, maybe longer than that, maybe a year. Anyway, decided to pull my finger out after getting quite a few comments as to, what you're doing with the Porsche. Is it a garage queen? Are you ever going to drive it again? Have you actually still got it? Ooh, yeah, loads of questions. Anyway, dug it out of the garage today. First time officially out of the garage in about 8 months. I haven't cleaned it, haven't lifted it up, haven't really done anything with it at all, not even so much as had the wheels off it. So I literally thought it's time to give it a clean up and just ready for its MOT, which is booked in next Tuesday. And then I shall get it taxed for the 1st of July, it will be now, and get it on the road, because it's just a sad thing to see it sitting in the garage doing nothing. But I tell you what, it was filthy. Let's take a look at the car, before and afters. This car's got a ceramic coat, but it's got to be at least sort of 6 years old now, so it'll be interesting to see how it performs. Now, I haven't used any special cleaners, just an ordinary car wash, no foam or anything like that, and a sponge which I sort of wash out in buckets as I go along because I don't want it to scratch anything up. But I did the body first and the wheels later. It was very bright and sunny, so it was very difficult. I kind of washed it in segments and dried it off with a leather, purely because I didn't want all the little spots forming. But it hasn't come out too bad, and the ceramic coat still looks good. I have used a bit of polish on it now and again, which you shouldn't do with a ceramic coat. But where I've got little light scuffs and scratches on it and that, there's no alternative. But I do use a ceramic spray and occasionally give it a coat of that. But overall, still looking quite good. So overall, quite pleased with that. Come up quite well. The ceramic coat still looks okay. Like I say, mine's about 5-6 years old. I don't know how long they last. Some say 10 years, some say they're lifetime guarantee. I don't really know. So, and I have used polish on it, and you're not meant to. I try and use a ceramic spray, but is it still on there? I don't really know. I think it is. It looks quite shiny considering that's just a wash and a leather. So MOT next week. I'll get it back on the road for the 1st of July, and I promise you some out and about stuff this year. Have got a few things in mind for the Porsche, but we'll see how we go. Anyway, glad to be back and promise you more stuff on the way. Thanks for your patience, and have a cracking summer, and look forward to posting some out and about stuff for you very, very shortly. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye for now.